One morning, I awoke from the most beautiful dream. In this world, I was a modern explorer, seeing a place I had only ever imagined. I tried to fall asleep again, but the call to experience this land kept me awake many a night, until I gave in. Now here's the thing. India doesn't leave you much choice. It demands to be felt down to its core. It must open your eyes with its color and its clamor. It must be breathed in, and it will undoubtedly pique your senses. This land of kings and countrymen, of silks and age-old spices, of chaos and indelible beauty isn't just a tale that you hear in passing. India, in all its fullness, is a living legend that you must experience for yourself.